Hello everyone. Today we'll be studying about the perspective views, okay, or perspective drawings. Okay. So we'll first understand what is the perspective view or the perspective drawings is, okay, and then we'll move forward how the drawing is done, what are the various components of these drawings we'll understand in the next part, okay. So what is perspective drawing? Perspective is nothing but a vision or the visual perception, the way the object looks when you uh, appears when you see from the eyes, right? Exactly when you look at an object at wherever in point you are, okay, you might be at any point of that object, away from that object, the way it looks from your eyes, same way we are going to represent it on the sheets. That is called perspective. Nothing but when you stand in front of any object and you see at the object, the way it looks, the same way you are going to show it in the sheets. That is what is the perspective is, okay. You are going to uh, their dimensions and the positionings are based upon your uh, the way you are going to perceive it, or way you are going to see the object, okay. That is what is perspective. Next, we'll try to explain you what is perspective through the we'll try to explain to these visual terms, okay. We'll understand what it is. If you can see this object, right, you can see this object, okay. If you can see a road along which trees are running along parallel to it. You can see a red line marked over it. That is the end of the roads, actually, okay. Right, that is the end of the roads. You can see that these lines are going and meeting at a point. I have drawn through that road. It is meeting at the one point, right? It is meeting at one point like this. So that point where it goes at, all the projections of you can, if you draw the projections of these lines, if you can see these lines moving, if you move it to the infinity, it is uh, the point where they are going to meet, okay. When you are standing at a point and you are seeing those objects, it feels like they are coming from the one point, they are originating from that single point where this all the objects are coming, okay. That point is called vanishing point, and this is called as perspective drawing. When you stand at this point and you are seeing through the eyes, right, whatever seeing through eyes is visible to you here. So that at one point where it starts coming out in the object, and as it comes nearer to you it becomes larger, as it goes away from you it becomes smaller in size and shape, okay. This is what is the perspective from the visual terms. You can see one more example is here, that is the railway track. As it is moving forward, okay, you can see that it is, okay, you can see at this point where it is meeting, right. The all the railway, the track lines or the side, uh, the grasses are moving at that direction, and as it go far further away from uh, the picture plane, it is the way the picture which you are seeing, that plane is called as picture plane, okay. That is, uh, as it going from the picture plane away from it, the object is going narrower and narrower, and it is meeting at a certain point. That point is called vanishing point, okay. And this, the level you can see here, right, this, the level you can see that at the level where it is going on meeting, the point on which the line on which this vanishing point is there, that line is called as horizon. That line is called as horizon, or it is called eye level. That is your eye level, from where you are going to see. It is the level of your eye, you are going to see the object there, okay. Next, this is what I was trying to tell you, that the horizon is a point, horizon is a line on which the vanishing point is located. It might be anywhere, but it depends upon the object from where you are watching it. Okay, the, all these telegraphic poles, railway lines, horizons, okay, the road is away from you, but it is going and meeting the same horizon line, and it is away from you. The way it looks from here, it is different. So whatever it looks, however it looks, we are going to try to put it there in the same type. Okay, now there are different types of perspective drawings. There are 1 point perspective, 2 point perspective, and 3 point perspective, 4 point perspectives, and 5 point perspectives also there. But we are going to understand here today only 1 point perspective and 2 point perspective. The vanishing points which we are talking about in the previous slides, okay, that point is also called as perspective points. The point from where this all the projection lines are going to diverge out, and these objects are to be drawn. Okay, so the source of these projections is only if the point is 1, then it is called as 1 point perspective. From only 1 point, all the sources are to be drawn. That is called as uh, 1 point perspective. If you can read the definition, it is the 1 point perspective is a type of linear perspective, and it is a same level of the viewer's eye. It relies to render the object in depth of the space and form the flat artworks. 1 point perspective is named from the fact that it is utilized the single vanishing point. Okay, single vanishing point it is used. So it is so we say it is one perspective. So if you can see here, the objects are being drawn with the projection lines from the one single vanishing point or the perspective point. Okay, the horizon line is also called as the eye line. Okay, these are the red color lines are the projection lines which are coming from out of it. Okay, next is 2 point perspective, where the vanishing points are 2. Okay, and you will feel the realistic way of drawing the objects into 3D. A 2D 2 points will help you to convert the 2D drawings into the 3D drawings in the way it looks from your eye. The 3D objects look like to you. Okay, where there will be two vanishing points on the horizon line. When the object is to be drawn is in the way, it's even more realistic than the drawn from the one vanishing point. Okay, okay, we'll see the how it is drawn actually. See, in this case there are two vanishing points from where these are going to coincide. Okay, the from the first projection from the first vanishing point and the projection from the second vanishing point, they're going to meet, and we're going to draw the projected points from the both the vanishing points, and we're going to complete the drawing. Okay, we'll be trying to deal with more in the next videos. Okay, thank you.